Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need Face ID already set on your iPhone. Once that's confirmed, open Snapchat and sign in. Tap your profile icon at top left, then tap the gear to open settings. Make sure camera access is allowed in iOS settings so Snapchat can scan your face. If prompted, grant permission now. Next, find the Face ID or authentication option in Snapchat settings. This gets the app ready to link to the iOS Face ID framework, which is required for app-level unlocking. Once in settings, tap the Enable option for Face ID or app authentication. Snapchat will prompt you to confirm using iOS Face ID. Follow the on-screen guidance. Hold your phone at eye level, remove sunglasses, and keep a steady distance. The app will ask you to perform 2 scans. Rotate your head slowly if instructed, so it captures different angles. Make sure lighting is even and avoid backlight. These steps link the app permission to the secure Face ID template stored in the iPhone. After setup, lock Snapchat or sign out, then open it to test unlocking with Face ID. Grant the prompt and confirm access. If Face ID fails, make sure the true depth camera isn't blocked and that nothing covers your face. Try in different lighting. As a fallback, reset Face ID in iPhone settings and redo the scans, then re-enable Snapchat authentication. If problems persist, update iOS and Snapchat, restart the phone, and try again. These fixes clear permission glitches and camera errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.